Yo, my phone buzzing and shit, bro. Who that?
Oh, taga. Kot man suto. May wag bitsa ison ta. What's ala? Ki, what's ala?
Yeah, unal proof. Extra is apa? Dia tu boleh buat video. Yeah, apa unal proof?
Ya, le proof ne. Why naman sa kanya chizo sio? Kanto jwa.
Kisuan.
Jwa sa kanya chizo.
Ama nos buena carta de la elección como next month.
Next month.
Yeah, because kita tla.
Kere, que eu sorri.
Promise to marry me.
You promise to marry me.
You promise.
Hey, Next
month.
What's up, Baba Shitan? You are having a kiss my day.
Mga vera election ka sa recomi. Galit class. Recomaning.
Feel what's her name? Sabelo vato. A healthy body in a healthy mind. What's going on, nigga? You are nigga.
Nyang Queen. The ring is bought for Monday.
Today is special. Today, my man, what's going on? Yes. Welcome to my one.
Hello, Ocean. Sumuke sana.
Masande kala masande masande lati wa pem kala siwa pala ndao
come back home. Hey, say. Es come Rosanlana phela hawo kanti how are you feeling, my brother?
Excellent.
How are you feeling with the white nyana thing?
I'm feeling like a candidate. You feel like I'm a candidate right now.
Mr. David Jr. Tell us how it is, Mafala. Sitting talk, Mafala.
Look,
Shawin na makat. Ba't na parang kilid ko? Ay, kilo away.
Yo, Juiz.
Darabas dahil mabasika lang sa mga left.
Ano? Yeah, ang kumul man dito kala.
So para man dito. Ya bona.
Why are we here? Why are we doing this event? And what does it mean for us as a school, for you as creators, and for your parents? Can you please let me
morning, the class of 2026. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the grade 12 teachers for their commitment, their hard work, and always bringing the vibe in grade 12. We know that so stressful, so frustrating, but we are grateful because our grade 12 teachers, they are making it better for us. We play and we learn. Thank you, Mr. Malulega and your team for the invitation. I would like to start with the parents. Thank you very much for trusting us with your learners. Yes, they came in, some of them, they came in doing grade 8 and they are now in grade 12. Some of them, they join us years later, but we all appreciate that you trusted us with them. As the guardian of Alafang High School, we really appreciate you trusting us with them, because spending Monday to Saturday with them, it's more like Siyama adopted or adoptive parents, Siyabo second parent, because we spend most of the time with them. And thank you very much, because they are who they are because of you. And Siyabonga ukuthi whatever that they are doing while they are here, they show us ukuthi babuya emakhaya anja.
Siya lili ka. Yeah.
Mana dia dengan kan paistik. Alam si so.
Ai. Kami siya lili sa. Kami siya lili sa. Whoa, pause, nigga. Whoa, what? Ai. Mana? Evan tani isa nang luan lagi. Evan tani isa nang luan. Il shot sa ro na ban. Ubed, relax. Ubed. Ubed mo yan. Ako na mo, tuboy vele ako talo na. Wate. Wate. Awe. Tirpad. Aman. Pambala. Awe namara. Mina moni wazife. Mina moni wazife.
Oh,
Type shit. Mara ska bontsha nje. Okay, shapang outro.
Spider, what's up? Tip there.
Thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Type shit.
Peace.